I left home I left home after high school. I just couldn't take it anymore. I had no idea what I was doing. I had no idea. I had 2 kids very young. They were such the thing that I needed. And so it was unfortunate that they had to experience some of the negative things that I had to as a child. But the good thing was they were very young. So the day that we lost our place, I just wanted to give up. It was those 2 little kids that I just said, you know what? They are all that I have, so we have to figure it out. I never thought I was gonna be a mom. I never wanted kids because I said, you know what? I don't want them to have to go through. I didn't want them to have to live that life. And it was all because of the financial situation. I didn't want history to repeat itself because I just kept hearing, this is the life that you were given. So for them just to be their mom, I just needed to do something else. That's when I really found myself. And when I was hugging my kids and they're like, Mom, it's gonna be okay. Those hugs were relief. Those hugs were resilience. Those hugs were like, they love me despite all of it. Those were the 2 people that I knew would never tease me because of where I came from. They changed my life. And I never told anyone we were homeless because I never wanted them to snatch them from me. So that's why I said they're my why. I kept fighting. I had the tag of being homeless. I never lost hope because they were the hope.